Lisa, how are you feeling?
Yeah, right.
Boys,
So what, fine.
having fun?
Confident.
Yeah, confident, good.
Down the street with some evil in my eye and some thoughts in my head that were making me feel high. On my head was a hoodie, in my ears was some bass. I was walking around my dog when I saw that sexy face come towards me. With a little cheeky smile, if she was a phone, I pick her up and dial the fire brigade. Or 000, she stole me my tracks and I said, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Sleeping in the sand with some dreams in my head that were causing an extension to the towel and my bed. And the waves were rolling like the curves on those legs, like that sweet beach pillow with a centerfold spread. In the midst of the slumber, heard some footsteps are creeping, and I woke to discover the woman I've been dreaming. She knelt down beside, said, can I share your pillow? I rolled over and I said, well, hello, hello. Oh, hello, hello. Some like money making, some like cars, and some like the houses with the rooftop spires, and some like the gossip about some rich sugar daddies. But me and my friends were like the golden brown honey's, and some like what